Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Gaming Basics. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to log into PubG with Twitter. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to log into PubG with your Twitter account, first get to this login page. Once you're inside this page, you'll be able to see several options you can log into your PubG account with. Tap on the option where it says Twitter and tap it on. And soon after you tap on Twitter, you'll need to allow PubG Mobile to access to your Twitter account. Scroll down and tap on Authorize app. Wait for a few seconds and you'll be able to log into your PubG account with Twitter. It is that simple. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.